The word where can be used to form the following. Number 1. Interrogative sentences. Number 2. Relative clauses. Number 3. Adverbial clauses. Number 4. Indirect questions. Number 5. Exclamatory sentences. Examples of interrogative sentences, formed with the word where. Number 1. Where are my books? Number 2. Where is the library? Number 3. Where did you go on vacation? Examples of relative clauses that begin with the word where. Number 1. This is the park where we used to play as children. In this sentence, the relative clause is where we used to play as children. Number 2. The restaurant where we had dinner was excellent. In this sentence, the relative clause is where we had dinner. Examples of adverbial clauses that begin with the word where. Number 1. We live in a neighborhood where the crime rate is low. In this sentence, the adverbial clause is where the crime rate is low. Number 2. He will meet you where the bus stops every day. In this sentence, the adverbial clause is where the bus stops every day. Examples of indirect questions formed with the word where. Number 1. I wonder where she went after school. Number 2. Do you know where the meeting will take place? Examples of exclamatory sentences, formed using the word where. Number 1. Where the hell you have been all this time? Number 2. Where did you find such a beautiful flower? The second sentence looks interrogative in structure, but here, it has been used to express surprise. Thanks for watching.